Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some famous farmhouse inspired home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Venus farmhouse inspired home decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that blends old world charm with simple rural comfort. It takes inspiration from traditional farmhouses, antique pieces, and time-worn materials, creating spaces that feel cozy, lived-in, and welcoming. Windows farmhouse decor celebrates imperfection, history, and simplicity, a state of looking polished or modern. It embraces aged beauty, handmade details, and practical elegance. The feeling it creates, Venus farmhouse decor feels like a peaceful countryside home, a space full of memories and stories, warm, humble, and deeply comforting. It is not about perfection, it is about soul, softness, and simplicity. Venus farmhouse decor is not just a look, it is a feeling and lifestyle. It reflects slow living, handmade beauty, and respect of the past. Even item feels collected over time, not bought all at once. The philosophy behind the style is not told. Items show wear, but that wear tells a story. Simple living, nothing flashy, everything feels honest. Function first, decor is useful before it is decorative. Emotional warmth, spaces feel safe, peaceful, and welcoming. Color and mood layering instead of bold colors. Venus farmhouse uses layered neutrals, warm whites instead of bright white, soft beige, oud, linen, and clay tones, muted greens, dusty blues, faded browns. Occasional dark contrast, black iron, charcoal, and tip oud. This creates a calm, balanced, and timeless atmosphere. Furniture style: solid wood tables with visible grain, farmhouse chairs mixed with benches, antique cabinets or hutches for display. Open shelving instead of closed cupboards. Furniture often mismatched but harmonious. Nothing looks showroom perfect, and that is the beauty. Textiles and handmade details. Textiles soften the rustic elements. Crochet, lace, and hand-embroidered fabrics. Green sack or taking striped pillows. Patchwork or quilted bedspreads. Linen table genres with natural wrinkles. Handmade pieces add soul and authenticity. Decorative accessories with meaning instead of trendy decor. Farmhouse style uses meaningful objects. Old books framed with the photos, enamel, glass bottles, clay pots. Baskets for storage and display. Wall clocks, scales, or rustic zigzag. Lace decor, but each piece matters. Nature as a design partner. Nature plays a huge role. Plant flowers and grasses. Use fresh flowers in simple jars, wooden benches, or olive stems. Seasonal changes reflect in decor. This keeps the home feeling alive and connected to outdoors. Room by room character. Kitchen. Use open shelves, ceramic dishes, wooden cutting boards. Living room. Slip covered sofas, layered throws, wooden coffee tables. Bedroom. Use iron beds, soft linens, and thick nightstands. Dining area. Firm tables, simple chairs, and linen genres. Each room feels gentle, warm, and lived in. Emotional experience. A Venus farmhouse homes feel calm and comforting, personal and soulful. Rooted in tradition, perfectly imperfect. It invites you to slow down, breathe, and feel at home. Vintage Farmhouse Taker, a soulful perspective. Vintage Farmhouse style is about memory, time, and comfort. It doesn't chase trends. Instead, it honors the beauty of everyday rural life, where homes are shaped slowly, using what was available, repaired, reused, and loved. This style feels quite grounded and emotionally rich. Imperfection as beauty, unlike modern styles. Vintage farmhouse celebrates flaws, scratches on wood, faded paint, uneven finishes, wrinkles in linen. These imperfections add character and authenticity. A space should feel real, not staged. Mix old and older. True vintage farmhouse avoid shiny new pieces, antique or thrifted furniture, family heirlooms, repurposed farm items. Salvaged old or iron. New items, if used, should look handmade or aged. Layering for depth and warmth. Layering is essential. Use wood plus fabric plus metal, light plus shadow, soft textiles against rough surfaces. For example, a rough wooden table softened with a lace runner and a simple ceramic vase. Handmade touches matter most. Handcrafted decor gives life to the space. Use crocheted cushions or throws, hand-sewn curtains, knitted food stalls, DIY wooden sign. These elements add human warmth, not perfection. Lighting, soft and nostalgic. Lighting should feel gentle. Warm bulbs, never harsh white. Table lamps with fabric shades. Lantern style lights. Use candles in glass or metal holders. Light should glow, not shine. Seasonal simplicity. Vintage farmhouse homes change with the seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers, light linens. For summer, use open windows and greenery. Autumn, dried feet, warm tones. Winter, layered blankets, candlelight. Seasonal decor is simple and natural, never overdone. Emotional storytelling in rooms. Each room tells a story. The kitchen feels busy but cozy. The living room feels safe and restful. The bedroom feels soft and intimate. The dining area feels welcoming and shared. Nothing feels empty or overstyled. Why people love this style? Because it feels comforting and familiar, reduces stress and visual noise, connects us to tradition and nature, makes a house feel like a true home. Vintage farmhouse decor is what time slows down, imperfection feel beautiful, and every object carries warmth and memory. Vintage farmhouse decor is inspired by a time when homes were shaped slowly, with care and purpose. Items are not chosen for trends, but for usefulness, stability, and emotional value. This gives this a style, its calm, honest, and grounded character. It feels quite familiar and deeply comforting, like a home that has been lived in for generations. Materials that tell stories. The materials used are simple but meaningful. Solid wood with knots, grain, and marks. Iron and metal with patina or rust tones. Is clay, ceramic, and stoneware with handmade shapes. Natural fabrics like cotton, linen, wool, and crochet. These materials is beautifully, adding depth over time. Color philosophy in farmhouse decor. Colors are chosen to suit the mind. Use warm whites, create light and openness. Beige and oud tones feel cozy and grounding. Muted greens connect to the home, to nature. Dusty blues add a gentle winter touch. The palette is soft, never loud. Furniture placements and balance. Venus farmhouse spaces are open but not empty. Furniture is arranged for conversation and comfort. Features are slightly shaped, allowing rooms to breathe. Large furniture anchors the room. A small accent sets in the edge. Nothing feels crowded or stiff. Functional beauty in everyday objects. Farmhouse decor values usefulness. Baskets hold blankets or vegetables. Wooden trays organize daily items. Open shelves display everyday dishes. Hooks and pegs keep things accessible. Practical items become decorative naturally. The role of nature indoors. Nature is always present. Fresh or dried flowers in simple jars. Green plants in clay or metal pots. Seasonal branches, wheat or cotton stems. Use natural light through shade curtains. This keeps the home feeling alive and peaceful. Quiet details that makes a difference. Small details define the style. Slightly wrinkled linens, handwritten labels or chipboards, old books with own covers, soft candlelight in the evening. The touches create intimacy and warmth. A lifestyle, not just decor. Windows farmhouse decor supports a slow lifestyle. Enjoy quiet mornings, shared meals together, caring for handmade items, choosing quality over quantity. It turns a house into a sanctuary. Windows farmhouse in a smart home decor is about comfort, memory, nature, and quiet beauty. But every object has a purpose, and every space feels deeply human. How Windows farmhouse style works in real life. Windows farmhouse decor is not about filling a home with old things. It is about balance, restraint, and intention. Every piece should feel like it belongs naturally, not forced. A true farmhouse home feels effortless even though it is thoughtfully styled. Balance. Rustic vs soft. One of the most important principles is balance. Too much oud equal heavy and dark. Too many soft textiles equal overly feminine. Too many antiques equal cluttered. The magic happens when rough oud is softened by linen. Iron is balanced with flowers. Old furniture is paired with light colors. Common mistakes to avoid: over-decorating. Farmhouse style breeds. Empty space is part of the design. Too much matching. Perfect shades look modern. Windows farmhouse loves gentle mismatch. Shiny or glossy finishes. Avoid high gloss paint, plastic, or chrome. Fake aching. Heavily distressed decor can feel artificial. Natural verb is best. Emotional tuning in the home. Windows farmhouse homes are designed for filling, not trends. Treating corners with soft light. Dining spaces that invite long meals. Kitchen that feel open and shared. Bedrooms that feel quiet and protected. Each area supports rest and connection. Mixing vintage farmhouse with modern living. You can blend farmhouse with modern life. Keep appliances modern but hide clutter. Use simple modern lighting with warm bulbs. reclined sofas with soft farmhouse textiles. Late modern comfort exists quietly in the background. The key is letting vintage charm play, not modern shine. Personal touch is everything. The most beautiful farmhouse homes include handmade or inherited items, travel finds or thrifted treasures, DIY projects with imperfect charm. These personal elements makes the style authentic. Vintage farmhouse decor is not about decorating a house. It is about creating a home that feels gentle, meaningful, and deeply lived in. Vintage farmhouse inspired home decor is a firm, nostalgic decorating style that blends old world charm with simple rural comfort. It takes inspiration from traditional farmhouses, antique pieces, and time-worn materials, creating spaces that feel cozy, lived-in, and welcoming. How defines vintage farmhouse home decor? Vintage farmhouse decor celebrates imperfection, history, and simplicity. Instead of looking polished or modern, it embraces aged beauty, handmade details, and practical elegance. The feeling it creates, vintage farmhouse decor feels like a peaceful countryside home, a space full of memories and stories. Warm, humble, and deeply comforting. It is not about perfection, it is about soul, softness, and simplicity. It invites you to slow down, breathe, and feel at home. Windows farmhouse decor is where time slows down, imperfections feel beautiful, and every object carries warmth and memory. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.